If you want to transport your cake, you've got to put it in a cake box. You can't just be carrying your cake around like that, can you? So let me show you how to set up your cake box. So cake box come in different sizes and shapes. This one is a full one piece of cardboard, and then you just got to fold it up and set it up nicely. So take some time to actually look at how your cake board is set up. They will often have tabs that slot into the right places. Once you've figured out how to set it up, don't rush, take your time. I often find that it's easier to do the bottom bits first. So you're slotting the tabs into the holes that correspond to it. Make sure that the tabs go in nicely because this will build a nice and sturdy structure. You don't want a cake box that is going to collapse on you now, do you? Now only do three sides. Leave the last side open because you can just now gently slide your cake into the box. Make sure that the cake box that you're using is sturdy enough for your cake. If you have really tall, heavy cakes, use a heavy duty cake board. Also, the size of the cake board should be exactly the same as your cake board. So, if you are using an 8-inch cake board, your box should be 8 inch so that you don't have any space for the cake to jiggle around. Once you've popped your cake in, then now you can do the final last panel, inserting all the tabs. Gently do this so that you don't mess up your cake. And that's literally all that there is to. Once you figure out how to put it together, your cake board, your cake box comes nicely together. And all you've got to do is just pop the top on it and you can carry it to the car or carry it to the party and have some fun. Don't forget, if you like this video, like it and also subscribe to my channel.